In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use e-signature in Microsoft Word. We'll add a clean, image-based version of your handwritten signature to a document so you can sign forms, letters, and agreements right inside Word. This method places a picture of your signature on the page. It's quick and convenient for everyday use. Start by opening your document in Word and getting ready to place the signature where it belongs, usually near a signature line or at the end of the page. On the top ribbon, go to the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps everything you can drop into a document, like pictures, shapes, and text boxes. We'll use it to bring in your signature image. Next, choose the option to insert an image. Depending on your version, it may say Image or Pictures. Click it, then choose the file on your computer. Word supports common formats like PNG and JPG. If you haven't prepared a signature yet, the best results come from writing your name with a dark pen on white paper, scanning or photographing it in good light, and saving it as a PNG with a transparent or very light background. Keep the edges tidy so it blends naturally into the page. Browse to your saved signature file, select it, and insert it into the document. It will appear where your cursor was placed, and it may initially behave like a regular image anchored to the text. That's normal. If the image looks too large or small, don't worry, we'll fine-tune it in a moment. A clear, high-resolution file will look crisp even after resizing. Now align it so it sits exactly on the signature line. Click the image to select it, then adjust how it interacts with the text so you can move it freely. Look for the layout or wrap options on the picture format toolbar, and choose a setting like in front of text or tight. This makes dragging and positioning easy. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions. Avoid the side handles so it doesn't stretch. Drag the image until it sits neatly above the signature line, centered and level with any date or title nearby. If you need precise placement, use your arrow keys for subtle nudges, and watch for Word's alignment guides to help you center it visually. Once it looks right, you're done. You've successfully inserted and aligned your e-signature in Microsoft Word, ready for sharing or printing. Keep your signature file in a safe place so you can reuse it in future documents.